Hi guys, I'm at Kola beach now. From here, I'll go to Kankon Dam there, which is on the next to the highway on Palolem Road there. From Agonda, I will go around 15-17 kilometers maybe. So hi guys, this is Subhash here, and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber. If you like my video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Alright guys, this is Leopard Valley here, a butterfly beach this side, and it will start raining here. From this road I have come now from Kola beach. It's 2:30 now. Good day. Good. Good guy. Good. Good too. Good. 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 उठ पहले. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a dam in Kankon area. Dam in Kankon. The way is that side there. I'll have to check there. First I will show you this area. Yes, this is called Chapoli, something like that. Okay, and this is the area. This road from where I've come now, it connects to the highway. And that road just now I showed you, this one, this doesn't goes further. You have to come back on this road again. It doesn't connect to any other road there. It ends. This is the main road, connects to the highway from where I've come now. Okay, this is the canal from the dam, and this road goes to Saudi. I came from Kuala Beach now. Guys, this is my machine today. Already around 60 or 70 kilometer I've ridden this today. Good one. Only thing is we cannot reach faster on this machine. It runs slowly according to its speed. Okay, we'll go that side and check what is there. I'm here now. There's the dam area there. They have some kind of river here. Maybe they are draining. When they drain water, they come from this side, I don't know. And this is the area here. I'll show you other side as well. So this is it, how it looks here. So water must be going from this side. They only built for themselves maybe. Okay, I'll just go and check it out there, whether I can go inside there. So guys, this is the dam area, Chapoli here. It's not allowed to go inside. You want to shoot there. And this is the area. So I have to end this video here. Okay. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Okay then, see you in the next video.